guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're out here, dig or die days. It's Saturday. Today is small tire racing. Wake John Doc up. They're over here pitted behind us. I know they stayed out racing last night pretty late, so we're gonna go give them a wake-up call. Little two-step. Pop, 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 pop. Let's do a wake-up call right there at the track. I just don't want them to miss the driver's meeting. I'm being a friend. I want to make sure that they're up. That's much cleaner.
Yeah.
I mean, 3,800
came up
RPM.
a lot better.
Yeah, that's a lot better than 3,600. 3,600 is just not gonna work. All right, guys, here's the track. This is the surface we're working with today. It is really rough, and you can see the big tires and the street tires last night. Basically, you're just spinning the whole way. It's black tracking the entire length. And so this is the starting line. Our first one, we got the right lane here. Both of the lanes are probably about even. Last night, the right lane actually come around better than the left. But, I mean, they're both rough. I mean, it's essentially the same. It's just, I mean, it's rough. I mean, it's black and it's got rubber down on it, but you can see the aggregate is just so doggone tall. I mean, you're just, you know, you got a 10-inch wide tire and there's aggregate all over it. So there's just not a lot of contact patch. So this is probably the best, like a road there is. All right, here we go. We just got up here, driver's meeting. They're calling the driver's meeting now. And we're gonna be making a lick at 3 o'clock. Hour away. We'll see what happens. These boys was out last night. Jason Braswell trying to beat everybody down. I saw that stuff on YouTube.
I got my bounce with it.
Y'all out there getting, I heard you about got screwed. They were arguing you what, crossed or something?
Yeah, we sat there for days like the forensic files trying to go through the evidence. First 48.
Who did you cross? They said you went straight.
Yeah, they crossed. That's the problem.
Oh my God. Well, maybe today it'll be less drama.
Yeah, hopefully.
Not as much drama. Not as much drama.
Y'all put that stinky shit on the tires. It's going wrong. Yeah. That's what we probably need to get the rocks off of it before he does his burnout as much as we can.
Your team, put your call on the first line, and then you into the second for the turbo guys. You bring them up for nitrous, push over, and then we're going to get on the flash line. Jump is the best qualification. And cross the line, whether it be the center or the left or the right, you have a 20-foot lane. That is a disqualification. Whether you're in front or behind, do not jump, don't cross the line.
Thank you guys for being here. I'm Steve here with the track owner. Been here 28 years. I've done a lot of Missouri bits. I've done it twice. I've been forced to do that. I've never done anything quite as bizarre as this.
Hey guys, we're up here first round pairing. Zach's way up there somewhere. We got Justin and Randy. Brandon's on the way. We got that hot rod. And we are 13th pair down. So we gotta find the baby. Let's see if he's here yet. And that's what we got first round. So let's see. We're gonna see what happens. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna have a good time. And right now they've got us. We got first 20 pairs. First 20 pairs now. I think I'm the only one on Mickey Thompson's. Hey, I'm the only one on Mickey Thompson's. Oh no, there's somebody. I was just saying I'm the only one on Mickey Thompson's, and y'all got Mickey Thompson's too.
Damn right. Any other questions?
These are some hot rods.
Normally if you're gonna have a review.
All right, here we go. With just a couple cars back. There's the baby. We got him again. I don't know if the track's coming around or not. We got a pretty good tune-up in it. We'll see if it takes it or not. I don't know if it's going to make it. We're probably going to end up having the pedal. We'll see what happens, see if it goes. All right, guys, we got the win. We got through first round. It was ugly, ugly, ugly. What y'all think? It was pretty ugly. That was two ugly races, and they were side by side, so it looked like we were flying, but he was spinning bad, and I was kind of chicken-footing mine. Mine spun initially right off the hit. I eased off so my boost would come back down, and I just kind of feathered the throttle a little bit, and then right there at the finish line, you saw that tire smoke. That's where I couldn't see him. I could see the finish line coming up, and I didn't know if he was coming, so I put it to the floor. It made like 27 pounds of boost right there, and it spun right through the finish line. But I hate we had to run my buddy again, Donald. But I mean, it is what it is. We both spun going down through there, and we got a lot of ET to make up. So I mean, we're gonna be dead in the water with these other cats. I mean, we're gonna ride up there and look at some of these other guys making passes. I think they're about a second faster than me, so we're gonna have to do some work. So let's do some work. All right, here's the chip draw for round number 2, small tires. Kelly, what are you doing over here?
I'm making paper beads, John.
You're making paper beads?
Making paper beads.
How are you making paper beads?
I'm using the tool that you and I make in our own home and sell on Amazon.
Well, you should sell those on Amazon.
These fabulous paper beads. And look, I made this out of a Summit Racing catalog.
Summit Racing?
Yes, in my necklace.
Summit Racing?
And even my anklets. Yeah.
Can you do jegs?
I can. And look, I have kits.
Oh my goodness.
You get pre-cut paper strips, a roller to roll them, some glue, and some string to make your very own Summit Racing catalog jewelry.
So all of my racing fans, all the racing subscribers, they usually have wives. Well, one wife.
Or child, or girlfriend.
Or child.
Or a man who likes to craft.
So y'all should go to paperbeadrollers.com.
Well, we're going to sell these on turbojohnracing.com.
We are?
Yes.
That kind of goes against the turbo.
We may have to have a conversation about that.
Okay, we're gonna have to have that conversation. But whatever you say, honey. Good job.
See, that's how it goes.
Okay, guys, here we go. We're down here. We just got through with our second round pairing. I think we got it was like 60 pairs left. Freaking crazy. And so now, what time is it now? 9 o'clock?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, and we are at 6 cars. This is going to be late, guys. If we go rounds, this is going to be 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. So we have done a lot. That first pass did not go well. So what we did is we put weight in the back. We put an additional 50 pounds in the trunk. We got the right lane this time. We really softened up the whole tune-up. So, I mean, everything from the launch, from the RPM, the boost. We put more timing retard in it. I mean, the key, down there, the cars that are making it down, they are simply hooking. It's very soft coming out, and then probably about 80, 100 feet out, they start applying the power. So that's what we're about to do. So we're going to go up there now. We got a race. I think it was Landrum Gentry. They say he's got a beautiful Nova. So this should be fun. I think is he a nitrous car? I don't know if he's a nitrous car or not. But nitrous car. Okay. So we'll see how it goes. Bad apple. Look, he's trying to run. He's the driver of like 10 cars. He most ain't supposed to be here. That's usually what happens. You can tell the ones that ain't supposed to be where they done lied and told a story. So this is it's a big blown Hemi. It's under a hood scoop that is stocked there. It's about 900 cubic inches from what I heard. And you see he's got the big bull horns coming out. He brought it up here and it's shaking the world. So this ought to be a fantastic race. So we got left lane this time. So he's gonna have right lane. We turned mine down pretty good. I think he got down halfway decent, but everybody's got him turned down. This is just not one of these races where you can go super fast. All right, check it out. work out as planned at all. So it was still way too strong. The good thing is it took off. I went faster that time by half a second. We picked up a half a second in 2 passes. First pass was really slow. Second pass was still really slow, but we're making progress. We're going in the right direction. I think we're probably a second off of where we need to be. So there's a lot of cars down here. It's not too late yet. And I think they're allowing test passes once you get put out, and they're allowing grudge racing. So we might be able to grab a grudge race or some testing, but we want to make another pass or 2. This is a perfect time to try to figure out how to make this car work on this type of surface. And this type of surface is very, very, very difficult. We're gonna go make a test pass real quick. All right, guys, pass number 3. That actually went down. It went down, guys. Woohoo! Third pass, we got down. It was not a rocket by any means, but we picked up, we went faster. However, we just pulled the data log. I was fixing to cuss. My dumb I forgot to turn the CO2 bottle on. And so if you look, it just ran better. It was 2/10 faster this time than what it was last time. And I didn't have any CO2 on. So if you look at it, the target was 3 and it had 2 on the dome. But then look out here, and it made us commanding. It should have had, why's this thing blurry? Or is it just my eyes? It's commanding target boost of 9, but you see dome pressure was 3. And so it made 5 pounds of boost. So we were fixing to turn it up. Thank God it didn't turn it up. We'd have been shooting in left field again. So, but it went down through there. You can see the red line is the RPM. It went on up there, went through the traps at a blistering 104 mile per hour on 5 pounds of boost. So, I mean, that's not terrible, I guess. So we're gonna try it again. Well, we come up to make another pass, but as you can see, the rain is falling. So that's a no-go for another pass. So we got a little bit of data